In this video, you are going to learn a simple way to do trading by using support and resistance in a simple way. If you are looking for a complicated process in order to use this support and resistance, then this video is not for you. But if you want to use support and resistance and make maximum amount of right trade without taking so much stress, then this video is for you. My aim with this video is to make everything simple for you and give you the power to make trading simple and stressless by using support and resistance, and that is actually simple. Support and resistance is not a complicated thing. You can see in my screen, this is exactly support and resistance. But in real time in the market, you will see different type of format. I'm also going to show you that too. But in simple words, the place where market hits and bounce back, those parts are called support. Similarly, the point from where market bounces down, those parts are called resistance. Now in real time while trading, this resistance may also act as support, and this support may also act as resistance in the past trading time. So in this way you can find out where the supports are and resistance are. So now let's look at support and resistance in the real market, and for this I am going to use a platform that is called Olymp, and this is a chart of fixed time trading. So if you don't know what fixed time trading is, then it is a type of trading where you need to select the duration, okay, from 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, whatever minute you can select, and within that minute you need to tell where the market will go, either up or down. And if you clicked on up and the market remained up and you invested $100, then within 1 minute you will be able to make up to $82 in profit, no matter how much up or little market goes up. Similarly, if you invested $100 and selected 1 minute duration and clicked on this down, and after 1 minute is passed, then if market is below from where you made this down trade, then also you are going to make profit, and vice versa. If the market goes opposite, then you are going to lose your full investment. In simple word, that is fixed time trading. And if you want to practice this kind of fixed time trading, then I have given a link in the description of this video. You can use that to create a demo account for yourself, and that demo account will give you $10,000 demo fund from which you can practice this fixed time trading. And also I have given some tutorial in the description of this video which you can use to create Olymp account, a verified account of Olymp in a step-by-step process. And I have also shown you how you can get up to 100% deposit bonus if you want to deposit inside Olymp. You can find all of those links in the description. So now let's again go to our main topic, that is support and resistance. So let me pull this chart a little bit. Let's go to past, a little bit past, and you can see. So previously I have shown you this kind of support and resistance. I hope you have understand about it, and you can see these things in real market, okay. So these are the support, these are the support, okay, from where market is bouncing back up, okay, and these are the resistance. As you can see, these are the resistance from where market is coming down, falling down in this way. Similarly, if you see, all the time this is happening in the market, okay. From certain point market goes up, and from certain point market keeps on falling down. Now let's check more. So here you can see this is a chart from where this is a chart which you can use in order to make support and resistance trading, okay, because it is showing a clear format, okay. While building also it is going up, again down, up, down, up, down, up, down, in this way, okay. And you can draw a trend line. So let's say you drew a trend line at here, then in real time what you will start to notice is this market is going up from every time that this market comes to the trend line, it automatically bounce back. Okay, and you can make your trade in those places. So now I know you will not understand in this type of format what exactly I am trying to show you. So that's why now let's go to the real time, okay, when these candles are forming. So let's put this chart at here. So now you can see market is at here. Now you can zoom out this candle and you can draw a trend line in this way, and you will find that it is far away from that line. Now in that case you can ignore this trading, okay, but what you can do is, again, you can take a little bit risk and draw a trend line from this point to this point, because you can see this is also support and this is also support. There are two support that is forming. So now you can draw a trend line from here, okay, and you will notice that market is trying to go up from here. Now again, if it fall down from there, then this is not going to work. Okay, so you need to wait and watch. But if you feel pretty confident about this, then you can make a trade at here by taking risk in a hope that this market will go up. Okay, you can do that if you want. Now why I am saying you can do that, you can just draw a trend line, okay, and think about this is support, okay, because here you can see here is also a small support, and that is also showing us that this can be a possible support. Okay, however, you cannot be 100% accurate while using support and resistance or whatever technical indicator you are using. Just understand the concept that I am trying to give you. Okay, this trend line shows that this is a support, okay, a risky support. If you join this and this support, then it will show you that this is a risky support. But if you see, here is a resistance which became here support, okay, and again it is making this support, and here you can see this can also become a possible support. So you can make a trade by assuming that this market will go up, okay, and you can select a duration of 1 minute, 5 minutes, okay, and place your trade by clicking on this up. So as you can see in the real time, this market went off from this level, because it is showing that this is also support and this is also support. And now here you can see market has reached to a resistance. But now you need to think about in this way, okay, this market is completely breaking this resistance level, okay, one after another. So you don't need to make a down trade at here. If you want to take risk, then you can trade by clicking on this up, okay, because you can assume that this market will broke this resistance also, but that is going to be a little bit risky trade. But you need to see in that format, okay, because you can see in real time that market is continuously breaking this resistance level. Similarly, let's see on another chart. Let's go to another chart. Let's select this Asian Composite Index, and you can see somewhat similar thing is happening. If you draw a trend line from year to year, then this is going to be a good support, because this is also support, this is also support, and this can also be a possible support. So you can assume that market will go up from this place. Now if market reaches to this level, then you should not make down trade, okay, because market is continuously breaking this resistance level. That's why you can take risk on this support but not in the resistance in this kind of market. Similarly, let's see in the another. So let's see the chart format of this. Let me zoom out. Okay, so by doing a little bit zoom out, what you can see here is this is a good support, okay. So let's see. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. This is the good support level. You can make a above trade from here, okay. This is a good support. You can see at here also, in back also. From here also it seems like this is a good place to make a up trade. because this is a good support. Similarly, in this case, if the market reaches at the top, then you can see this is also a good resistance, okay, because market is bouncing back down from this level, from various places. So you can draw a trend line, you can watch these charts. Here you can see this is the support, and this turned out to be resistance at here. And similarly, this is also resistance, it is a little bit down, okay, but here is market is disturbed a little bit, and here is the resistance. And similarly, now market is going back from support to this above, and now when it reaches to this level, then you can take risk and click on this down trade and make a trade. So now if you want to make things complicated, then you can watch other videos that will explain you lots of things, and you will start to make some wrong trade. But if you follow what I am saying, what I am showing you here, then you can notice that you will make maximum of your trade right. So this much I wanted to show you. Take care, have a great life ahead. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.